Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a 3-week infill on my client's natural nails. I've already removed her previous design and I've primed and prepped these nails using Rebecca Abnethy products. And now I am placing a clear layer of flawless clear. And I'm just going to place that on all of these nails. We are doing an Easter inspired set today, so there's lots of sparkly goodies going on in these and lots of surprises. So this glitter is Nail Sugar's Pixie Dust. It's super gorgeous. It's got pink and lilac running through it and lots of little bits of hollow. And then this glitter is Nail Sugar's Rhubarb and Custard, and it is just gorgeous, and it really sits nicely with this Easter set because it's pink with gold flecks in it and it's got lovely little pieces of yellow, so that is just perfect with this set. I'm then going to use Rebecca Abnethy's Cover Pink to create a smile line on this nail. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to take another bead, I'm going to place it at the cuticle area and I will blend it forward. So I'm just going to be creating a full nude nail on this one because this one's going to have a nice little surprise in store at the end. And then once I've done that and I'm happy that I've got the shape and structure in, I'm going to move to the pointer finger and I'm going to be using Team Gorgeous Cupid's Kiss, and I'm going to cover the entire nail with that. So the farm is going to have Nail Sugar's Pixie Dust on there, as well as that Rhubarb and Custard, and you'll really be able to see all those lots of little bits of pink and gold, and especially those little gems of yellow, which I absolutely love in this glitter, so you'll be able to see that more clearly now. There they are, look at them little bits, they're so pretty. And then I'm now going to place down Cupid's Kiss on that free edge, but first I'm going to file up that smile line just to make sure it's nice and crisp. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pop the Cupid's Kiss on that free edge. So now I'm going to cap all of these nails with Rebecca's Flawless Clear and make sure all that glitter is fully covered and there's none sparkling. I want it to all look matte. And then once I've done that, I will go in with my filing technique. So I've already filed these nails and dusted them off, and I'm now going to come to that middle finger and we're going to do that cute little thumper design on there. So I'm using Semilac's Black Diamond gel polish, and I'm just going to start by outlining my image. I'm only doing it roughly just to give me a rough guide on how I want it to look, and then once I'm happy I can start going in and forming some shapes with the colours. So I'm now using Semilac's Lady in Grey to start creating Thumper's forehead and the top of his head, and to start popping in a bit of shape for around his eye. My client has got her phone out, so she's pulled up an image of Thumper, so we are just kind of copying it. Normally I would pop down a grid, but today I didn't need to do that because I'm just pulling the shapes from the image and transferring it to the nail. but I will do another video where I'm creating a grid so you can see how I do that as well. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to flash cure that into the lamp for 10 seconds. And now I'm taking a bit of Semilac's soft beige and mixing that with a little bit of white. So this is going to create a really soft grey, and I'm just going to use that for under his nose and start creating a bit of his muzzle. And again, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to flash cure that for 10 seconds. And now I'm using the business range, Semilac's business range classic vanilla, and I'm just using that to fill in his eye and some of his fur that will come round his mouth. And then once I've done that, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for a full 30 seconds. So I'm now going to take Semilac's Baby Girl, which is a gorgeous pink, and I'm just going to use that for his little nose, and then I will flash cure that for 10 seconds. And then I'm going to take some of that black and I'm going to start using that to form the shape of his mouth. I'm going to leave a little gap at the bottom because that's going to be for his cute little tongue. There, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 10 seconds. And now I'm going to go back to that classic vanilla and I'm going to start giving all that vanilla area a second coat just to make sure that that really pops. And then once I've done that, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for a full 30 seconds. So now I'm going to take a bit of that Baby Girl and some of the strong white and mix it together and create a really soft baby pink, and I'm just going to use that on his tongue area. And then I'm using Semilac's Nuts and Caramel to create the coloured part of his eye, and then I pop that into the lamp to cure for 10 seconds. And now using that strong white, I'm just going to go round his eye for the white of his eye. And then once I'm happy with that, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for a full 30 seconds. And now I'm just going to do the centre of his eye using that black, and I will flash cure that. And now getting some fresh vanilla, I'm just going to start popping in more of the shape of his eye because I want it to be a little bit more crisp, a little bit more rounded. And then I'm going to come in with that strong white, and this is going to be his fur on his chest. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So using Semilac's Art Gel in black, I'm just going to outline all of Thumper and make him really stand out and pop, and he looks so cute. And then once I've finished doing that, I'm going to pop that all into the lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. So I'm just going to now top coat all of these nails using Rebecca Abernathy's No Wipe Top Gloss, and he's looking dead cute. And then I'm going to pop him into the lamp and the other nails for a full 60 seconds. So I'm just going to finish this set with a little bit of cuticle oil, and that is the set finished. So I hope you enjoyed this Easter inspired set, and if you did, I would love it if you could like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.